Good Monday morning, folks. I'm News 18 meteorologist Cam Hotman with today's weather vlog. Hope you had a nice weekend. We had some snow over the weekend. We even have some light snow out there right now. Monday so far pretty gloomy, cloudy, cold, not quite as cold as last week, but altogether continuing to see the very chilly conditions. We are beginning to see this low pressure system drag further towards the east, and the snow will begin to come to an end here over the next couple hours or so. We could be seeing a few more flurries before the morning, I should say, into the early afternoon is up. But once this low drags eastward, we'll begin to see mostly cloudy skies pretty much throughout the remainder of the day. Temperatures will be right around freezing later this afternoon. We're looking at a high right around 32 degrees. And as of now, the low pressure system located just south, I should say, of Chicago, moving eastward, and that's bringing that cold front along with it. That's extending across parts of east central Illinois into southwestern Illinois, and that's all moving eastward along with that low. So once that moves off to the east, we're going to see a few more lingering clouds throughout the day today, and then temperatures will then tail off overnight tonight as that cold front passes to the east as well. Temperatures will actually plummet down into the mid to low teens, and that's much cooler than this morning. We only got down to around 22 degrees here at the station this morning. We are going to continue to see temperatures sit right around the mid to upper 20s over the next few hours, eventually getting into those low to mid 30s later this afternoon. Still seeing winds from the south for now, but once that cold front moves off to the east, that's when winds will begin to shift, and that's why those temperatures will fall so low overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. For tomorrow, we're actually looking at another round of light snowfall, mainly for the northern, the northeastern portions of our viewing area, a lot like what we saw today. 33 will be your high temperature for Tuesday. And as we get to midweek, once that secondary low moves east, high pressure will actually build in, and that's going to help clear things out. We'll be looking at mostly sunny skies come Wednesday. High temperatures, though, remain right around freezing, 33 once again. And then once that high moves east, that's going to shift those winds to the south, and that's what's going to help warm us up into the 40s for Thursday. But we also look at another chance of precipitation as well, this time in the form of a wintry mix, beginning your day with some light snowfall, and then as the temperatures begin to rise, that light snowfall will become a light rainfall, and we'll be looking at that slight chance of that wintry mix throughout the morning and early afternoon on Thursday. Once we get to Friday, another cold front passes, things dip down a little bit as far as temperatures go, 38 your high temperature that day. The weekend, looking pretty nice as far as temperatures go. That warming trend continues through the weekend. 42 your high temperature on Saturday afternoon, mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies that day. We get another chance of rain, but at least temperatures warm up to 48 for Lafayette, and 50 degrees, definitely not out of the question for Sunday. But this is not something, even though Puxatawny Phil predicting that early spring, let me remind you, spring begins March 20th. No reason to expect things to get any warmer anytime soon, because even though we hit 48 to 50 degrees come Sunday, that cold front, along with the rain, pushes through, drops us right back down to the mid-30s come next Monday. So things will return to normal as our average high temperature for this time of the year is 36 degrees. That's pretty much all I had to talk about today. A few light snow and then the warm up for the weekend. If you have any questions about today's forecast, always feel free to email Chad, Jesse, and I at weatherteam18@WLFI.com. My personal email address is Cameron.Hotman@WLFI.com. You can always follow us on Twitter at WeatherTeam18. Until tomorrow, folks, I'm News 18 meteorologist Cam Hotman, signing off.